Hello everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add a dark mode toggle in React using Tailwind. Let's get started. First, open your project folder. I'm using the same setup from a previous tutorial. If you haven't set it up yet, watch that video first or check the link in the description. Once it's open, head to your index file and write this line of code. After that, head to your app file now, and this is where we will implement the dark mode feature. First, we need to import two React hooks, useState and useEffect. We'll use useState to keep track of whether dark mode is on or off, and useEffect to add or remove the dark class whenever it changes. Here, is dark mode will be true or false, and ELA default, it's set to false, meaning it's set to light mode. Now, we need to tell React to add the dark class to the element when dark mode is on, and remove it when dark mode is off. Inside our component or useEffect, write this line of code, as this code will run every time whenever our dark mode is interacted with. Next, we need a button that will switch between light and dark mode. Let's create a simple function to flip the state. Every time we click the button, it will change from true to false and vice versa. Finally, let's design our lay using Tailwind classes. Replace everything inside return with this. Or you can design it ELA yourself. Just don't forget to insert the function we called in the button. The dark classes will automatically apply when the dark class is added to the tag. Now let's run the project. In your terminal, type click the link and open it in the browser. Click the button we just made and it should now switch between light mode and dark mode smoothly. And that's it. You now have a working dark mode toggle in React with Tailwind. Thank you for watching.